Listen up, delinquents. This is your principal, Truman S. Steele. And while you've been doing nothing with your summer, I've been getting better. I've been planning and I've been plotting. And you know what I did? I went on an international lecture tour, which took me to the Fight Factory in Dublin, Ireland, the place that gave us Becky Lynch and Finn Balor. And I thought I was just there to teach. I thought I was just there to coach, but I couldn't stand still. I got back in that ring. I was sharing the ring with Martin Steers and Timothy Thatcher. I was in the ring with the Saviors of Destiny, the best tag team on this planet. And you know what I figured out? I'm too smart to be outfoxed and I'm too dumb to quit. So I'm back in the United States to reform the School of Steele. Valley Wrestling Connection, San Diego Pro. I don't care what your company is. We are going to be there to take what's ours. You better watch your back because we're not taking no for an answer. Class dismissed!